Hello, team and family. This is WA number 5, question 9. Lashonda rode her bike 2.5 miles. Shanae rode her bike 3 miles. How many more feet did Shanae ride her bike than Lashonda? So when we're looking for how many more, a lot of times we're going to have to subtract. So I have 3 miles for Shanae, and I have 2.5 miles for Lashonda. So I'm going to have to subtract those to figure out what's the difference, or how many more miles does Shanae go than Lashonda. These are both miles, so they're both the same unit, and I'm subtracting. I can't take away 5 from 0, so I borrow from the 3, make it a 2, make the 0 a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring this decimal straight down because we're subtracting decimals. When you add or subtract, you just bring the decimal straight down. So I have 0 and 5/10 miles more. That's how much farther Shanae rode than Lashonda. I need to convert miles to feet. On my formula chart, it says 1 mile equals 1,760 feet. And then it says 1,760 feet, 1,760 yards. And then it says 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So if I want to figure out how many feet are in 1 mile, I can take 1,760 times 3 to figure out how many feet that is. 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 is 22, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So 5,280 feet. And now I need to convert that to, a half a mile to feet. So I know that in 1 mile, there's 5,280 feet. So for my what, I'm comparing miles to feet. On my no, I know that 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. I need to find how many feet is 5/10 of a mile. So I can solve this proportion. I also know if I divide 1 by 2, I get a half. So 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So 5,280 divided by 2 will get me my answer. 2 goes into 5, and now let me clear off some space here. We find some space over here. 5,280 divided by 2. 2 goes into 5 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down the 2. 2 goes into 12 6 times. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Bring down the 8. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Bring down the 0. And then lastly, 2 goes into 0 0 times. So I've got 2,640 feet. That's how much half of a mile is. 2,640 feet. So my answer is B, 2,640 feet. Woo!